Welcome students. Hope you all are safe and fine at your home, enjoying with while in completing your subjects work given by the different subject teachers. Here I am with the most awaited subject SUPW. Study about socially useful productive work. It helps us to know our role as a active member of the society. The study of the subject will help you to be helpful to others, creative, capable of handling your own problem in the society. These skills will make you a better citizen and an active member of a society. Today we will study about the personal hygiene, and before I will start my topic, I would like to introduce which chapters are coming in this session. So these are the chapters: chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 6, chapter 9, chapter 10 and chapter 11. Other than these chapters which we are not going to attend, that you have to study by your own. In exam only these chapters will come. Clear to you? Now we are moving to the today's topic. As it is clear by the name only that it refers to a habit of keeping yourself clean. The personal hygiene is the first step to good grooming and good health. We should keep our body clean from the head till the toe. We should always keep it neatly and beautiful. Okay, presentable. You can see the presentable. If you will see anyone who is not in a proper dress, who has not cleaned his face, who has not combed the hair properly, are you going to like that person? No. If the person is sticking, उसके अंदर से गंदी बदबू आ रही है, उसका चेहरा साफ नहीं लग रहा है, तो आपको क्या लगेगा? Oh my God, that person is not good. So the same thing is with you. If you will not keep yourself clean, nobody wants to talk to you. Always, everybody loves the person who are the presentable, okay, who are neat and clean. So we will begin from the cleaning of the hairs. So how I will maintain our hairs beautiful and clean. Okay. So first step is we have to clean our hair with the mild shampoo twice a week. We should not use the hard shampoo and soap in the hair. Okay. While doing the shampoo, clean it properly with the water. Sometimes what is going on while washing hair, some soap particles or some shampoos are there. So please clean it properly. After cleaning the hair, you have to wrap the hair in the towel, properly cover the hair, so it will soak the water, how much water is there in your hair, so it will make it little dry. And after removing the towel, you let it be dry by its own, then you comb your hair. Okay. And while combing the hair, use the soft bristle comb. Don't use the hard bristle comb, and no, don't put lot of pressure while combing. Softly you have to comb your hair. Otherwise, what will be there if you put lot of pressure while combing? It will the cause of the hair fall. They will break the hair. Okay, बाल टूट जाते हैं उससे. Then after combing the hair, you have to pleat it. You have to let it be open. It's up to you. For the boys, trim your hair properly in 1 month. Girls should also trim the hair. Then oil your hair. In the book it is given once in a week, but I will suggest you to do it twice in a week. Okay, because the oil will give the moisture to your hair, and that moisture will help you to reduce the knots. जब हम बाल में तेल लगाते हैं तो उससे बालों में उलझन नहीं होती है, और उससे क्या होता है, फिर हम उसको प्रॉपरली कॉम करते हैं. कॉम करने के बाद से उसको, अगर आपके लंबे बाल हैं आप उसको प्लीट्स बना लीजिए, छोटे बाल हैं आप उनको खुला रखिए या पोनी बना लीजिए. इट इज अप टू यू. It is only for girls, not for the boys. Okay. So these are the things you have to be very careful. Some of the children are not combing their hair regularly, and which is caused the knots in their hair, and which is difficult to clear after some time. If you will not comb it regularly, there will be knots, means बाल उलझ जाएंगे, और बाल उलझने के बाद उनको सुलझाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, और उसके कारण sometimes it is the reason of the hair fall also. Okay, so it's compulsory to comb your hair minimum twice a day. Maximum it is up to you. If you are going somewhere, you can comb or like that, but minimum twice a day it's compulsory to comb your hair. Okay, either it is boy or girls, for everyone. You know why we are telling you the combing the hair? When we are combing our hair now, it will increase the blood circulation in our head, because it will work as a massager. प्रेशर, जब आप इस पे बाल पे सर पे कंघी लगाते हैं तो एक प्रेशर जनरेट करता है आपके सर पे, जिससे कि आपका ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ता है. और जब when the blood circulation will increase, it will give you the good result in the way of the good and beautiful hair. Okay, so if you will follow these steps, what were the steps? Wash your hair twice in a week with the mild shampoo. Brush your hair twice in a day, and oil your hair twice in a week. So these 3 steps you will follow, then you will be going to get a beautiful hair. And as you know, your hair is your crowning glory, and you all are blessed with the beautiful hair. Clear? So if you will give the proper care of hair, they will give you a beautiful look to you. Okay. Now we are moving to the body and skin. What is this body and skin? When you are going to somewhere out and for the marketing or anywhere, or you are coming from the school, you might have feel some roughness on your skin, some dryness on your skin, something not good, something sticking like that. So what is that? Because of dust particle, the pores in your skin, there are so many pores in your skin, and that will help you to get the oxygen from the take the oxygen from the outside. And when the dust is embedded on that pores, they will not getting the place to get breathe. Okay, just take it easily. The easy word, वो सांस नहीं ले पाएंगे तो आपको अजीब सा स्किन आपकी कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं होती, आपको अपने आप में अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, इफ यू विल वॉश इट क्लियरली, देन यू विल बी गोइंग टू बी रीजनरेटेड. मतलब इसके बाद आपको एक नया सा सब कुछ फ्रेश सा महसूस होता है. जब आप सिंपली पानी से भी अगर आप मुंह धो लेते हैं तो आपको एक फ्रेशनेस महसूस होती है. वो क्यों होती है? बिकॉज द पोर्स आर गोइंग टू बी ओपन एंड यू आर गेटिंग द ऑक्सीजन इन इट. Got it? So this is the reason why we are telling you to clean your face properly. So while cleaning the body, what we have to do? We have to take the bath minimum twice in a day. Clear? In the morning time, while going to this office or school, when you are getting up in the morning, and second time when you are coming back from the outer portion, then also you can take the bath. Okay. The result of the bath is the healthy, fresh and glowing skin. Moreover, throughout the day, dust embedded on your face, so it becomes very important to wash your face at least twice in a day to remove embedded dust. This gives your face a charming look. Clear to you? Now, we are moving to the teeth. Teeth is the only second, they need only seconds for the care. Not too much that you have to spend hours in that. No, only few seconds, minimum 1 minute you can spend, and you have to brush twice in a day. One in the early morning and second while going to bed. Please brush it, okay, before sleeping. So brushing there are some, I saw many people, what they are doing, they are taking the brush and they are doing like this back and forth movement. No, it is wrong. When you are doing this back and forth movement on your teeth, it will cause the decay of your gums. जो gums आपके होते हैं उसको वो थोड़ा सा रफ करता है, because you are using so roughly this like no, you have to give with the love and softly. You have to use the circular motion. Circular motion means up and down. Okay, you have to go down and then you have to move up. And when you are using this up and down process, what will be there? You are going to remove the particles which are going to जो आपके दांतों के बीच में फंस जाते हैं, उन पार्टिकल को रिमूव करते हैं. So always brush your teeth in the circular motion like this side, then on this side, and while inside the teeth, when this is the outer side of the teeth, and when you are going to do the inside the teeth, you have to put it out like this. Okay, नीचे से लेके बाहर की ओर निकालना, ताकि जो भी डस्ट पार्टिकल उसमें लगे हों वो निकल जाए. I hope it is clear to you what I said. So brushing is very much important for you cleaning your teeth. So always 2 times you have to brush before going to bed and getting up in early in the morning. Okay. And it will help you to decay by the cavity and all the things. Na? That also will be going to be prevent. There are a lot of microorganism germs around us. Some of these germs, bacteria accumulate on our hands when they enter in the body. Now these corona periods, you might have listened many times with in the TV, in the ad from your parents that wash your hand. It's not only during this corona period, but in a general way also we were always telling you before eating meal you have to clean your hand. And before, if you are coming out from somewhere, please wash your hand properly. So these are the simple civic sense which you have to use. It's not because nowadays corona is going on, that's why we are telling you to clean your hand. No, always you have to clean your hand before eating the food and when you are coming out from anywhere. Always, please. Cleaning the hands, you know the finger, you have to take the soap, you have to cross your finger like this, then like this you have to rub gently, and then fold arm properly you have to wash, and then wash it with the pure fresh water. Clear? This is about the hands. In hands you are having the fingers. You have to trim your nails weekly. Every Sunday you take out the time from your busy schedule and trim your nails. It's very important to trim the nails, because I saw the children, those who are not trimming their nails, and their nails are so black and dirty. These things are not helpful to me, are not going to help to your parents. It will be harm to you. Got it? It will only harm to you, neither to me nor to your parents. So cleaning the body, the hair, the hands and the nails is only helpful to you. If you will trim your nails, then your hands will be neat and clean. If you will not trim, so many germs and bacteria and dust and so many dirty things will be get inside and stuck in that. And when you will eat the food, they will go in your stomach. So please keep yourself neat and clean. The next point is nails. I told you, nails of feet also it is important to trim it. Okay. Now, feet, like hands, you have to keep your feet also clean regularly when you are coming out from anywhere. First thing, you have to go to the washroom and then clean your feet with the water. Then you go into bedroom, or then you go to the kitchen, or then you go anywhere in the home. But first thing, not only in this corona period, after that also and before that also, always cleaning of hand and cleaning of foot is very much important while coming out from the anywhere. Okay. Now, what we have to do while cleaning the feet, what we have to take care, we will use the scrub and sponge to remove the dead skin from our feet. Okay, because while moving from here to there, the dirt is going to be pressed in that, and that will cause the dead skin. So if you will scrub it properly, you will get the soft and beautiful feet. Next is, what is head lice? Head lice are tiny insects that live on human head in the hair and suck the blood and nourish themselves. See, nowadays very rare people you can see the head lice. Those who are not cleaning their hair properly. If you will see the 160 students are there, only 4 and 5 are there those who are suffering with this head lice. Otherwise, rest of them are keeping their hair very neat and clean. So, but you should know why they are coming. Head lice is always living in a dirty hair. Those who are not combing their hair properly, those who are not cleaning it properly, those who are making it dirty, head lice are coming in that people. Okay, but the problem is that if the normal person, those who are not suffering with this head lice, if they will sit with that student, the head lice will moving so fast and they will go from one head to the another head, and then they will be going to affect the others. So they are moving so fast. If you will sit with the person who is suffering with the head lice, then you will also going to get affected with that. So how to clean this? There are two option. One, some shampoo, some remedies are available in the market to clean it, and second one is the homemade remedy. That homemade remedy is made by the naphthalene ball. Okay, what you have to do, you have to use this naphthalene ball, make a powder or paste and apply it on your hair, then close it with the any cap, hair cap. The smell of that naphthalene ball will sedate the head lice. They will not die, they will sedate. Okay, and after the wash it with the plain water, when you will comb it they are already in the sedation. Sedation means सो जाते हैं वो, तो बेहोश हो जाते हैं आप कह सकते हो. तो उनको फिर आप जब कंघी करके करते हो तो वो आपके निकल जाते हैं. बट बेस्ट ऑप्शन आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू यूज द shampoo which is available in the market. They are safe also and they will not put any harm to your hair. Okay, so these are the few points which I told you. Take care of these points, take care of yourself, take care of your body, and you will be blessed, going to be look so beautiful, so pretty and so smart. It's not compulsory that all the people, those who are having the good complexion or those who are having the good face cutting, they are only looking. No, if you will keep yourself, maintain yourself neatly, you will always look smart. Okay, so all the best to all of you. PDF is attached with this video. Complete the work and do the work in the class work copy. As you are doing the SUPW copy, interleave copy you were using for SUPW work. So one side you have to do the SUPW work, writing work, and one side you have to draw. Clear to you? The pictures are given. When you are talking about hair, you have to draw the picture of hair like that only. It's up to you. Clear? All the best.